Now we're going to talk about changing the trimmer on most Series 7 shavers. Sometimes these trimmers on the front will break and they won't want to lay down, or sometimes they'll come off altogether, and we can change that piece out fairly easily. What you're going to do is slide the trimmer up, and then you're going to take a small flat jeweler's screwdriver or something flat. This is a little tool we use, and we're going to put it right above the button, the curved part here, with it, just enough to work that in, and then give it a little twist, and it'll pop it up enough so that you can take it out. Okay, and then what you're going to make sure you do is on your old trimmer, if it doesn't come out 100% intact, if some of this material along the edges have broken off and are still down in here, you'll need to get all of those little bits of plastic out of there. Otherwise, it's going to obstruct your new trimmer from being inserted. Okay, and then when we're going to put our new trimmer in, you'll notice there is a little spring here. There's one on the other side that I've already tucked under, but what we need to do is tuck these springs underneath the silver part here. So I've done the one already, and then we're just going to take the other one here with the tip of my screwdriver, and we're going to work it so it pops up under there. And that way those won't interfere as we try to slide the new trimmer into place. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to slide the new trimmer in, and you'll get down a certain amount, and you'll probably run into some resistance. At that point, what you do is you flip the trimmer open, and then you should be able to push it down into place all the way down where it belongs at the bottom. And that's it.